Yeah, Artie the DJ. This one is for every mother. Ngyabonga, mama. Ngibonga umama, ngokungithwala nimanzi, ungiphatha ngenhliziyo through the pain and storms. Awuzange ungilahle noma impilo yayinzima, wangifundisa ukuphila, wangifundisa uthando lwangempela.
Mama ngingobani ngaphandle kwakho. Every blessing started with your sacrifice. Ngiyakhuleka kuNkulunkulu wakusise, 'cause your love gave me life.
Ngibonga umama, ngibonga uthando lwakho. 9 months wangithwala, now I'm standing tall. I'll never forget where I come from, mama, or the reason I answer the call. Ngibonga yonke every prayer, I promise to make you proud. Ngabona izinyembezi zakho, but you kept on smiling. You gave me hope when the road was frightening. Ngoma ngangilahleka wangibza ekhaya, your prayers became my shield every single day.
To every mother fighting every day, your love will never fade away. Nkulunkulu akupe amandla njalo, your sacrifice will never be forgotten.
Ngibonga umama, ngibonga uthando lwakho. 9 months wangithwala, now I'm standing tall. I'll never forget where I come from, mama. You're the reason I answer the call. Ngibonga your every prayer, I promise to make you proud. Ngibonga umama,
Ngibonga umama,
ngibonga ngongithwala nimanzi.
ngibonga yonke imithandazo yakho.
Forever I'll make you proud.
Mama, your love lives inside my heart. Thank you for every prayer, I promise to make you proud. Because your love will always live in my heart.
Ngyabonga, mama. This is more than a song. It's my gratitude. Nkulunkulu akubusize njalo.